Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for October 15th, 2015, and another day where temperatures will be near normal for this time of year, but unlike yesterday where we had that temperature inversion aloft, which gave us those mostly cloudy skies for the majority of the day yesterday, we won't be dealing with that today with just mostly sunny skies expected, but temperatures pretty close to what they were yesterday. We're going to have a cold front that's going to be approaching from the northwest that's going to come in very, very late Thursday night and early Friday morning. So not much fanfare with this. It's hard to see, but this is your center of low pressure right here, and it does have a cold front attached to it. This is going to, and it doesn't look like much here. You wouldn't think there's a massive cool air surge coming in with this, but it really is. So we're going to go through the next couple frames here. You'll see what I mean. Really just falling apart here. Here is your area low pressure now. Here as we look into the wee hours in the morning, you can finally see a cold front attached to it here. Here's your cold front, here's your area low pressure, and this is diving off to the southeast, and the cold air is plunging in behind it. But this really is going to, whatever you see here is really going to start falling apart. The next couple frames here. Here's early Friday morning, and no precipitation shown here. And that's because, as we head over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar, here's a look at 11 p.m. on Thursday evening. And you can see the rain looking like it's going to move in here, and then all of a sudden, as you get to 1 a.m., here's 2 a.m., gets over to parts of northeastern PA. I do think you get some showers activity up there, but then you go from 2 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 5 a.m., and it just kind of goes away. Nothing there. And here's 8 o'clock in the morning. Nothing really left. So we are going to allow for an isolated shower in some places here, but I think most areas stay dry, especially outside of northeastern PA. If you get it anywhere northwest of this line, I would say, would have an opportunity for the best opportunity for those showers. Anything down southeast of that line will be very, very isolated and hit or miss. I think most of it activity stays up in this area here, as we just showed there. But then we get behind this, once we get past Friday morning here, the rest of Friday should be partial clearing. Any clouds in the morning should give way to sunshine in the afternoon, and should have another day with temperatures near normal for this time of year. But by the time we get into Saturday and Sunday, temperatures are really going to take a nosedive south. And here's a look at Saturday morning. Wouldn't be surprised to see in the very north. Now, yesterday we were talking about maybe central PA, northeastern PA. Looks like the models have backed off of that, kept the concentration of any snowfall activity. This is snowflakes, not snowfall as in accumulating snow, but that as we can find further north as it was showing earlier in the week. So less of a chance you'll see that in PA, but not impossible. I would say the best chance to see a passing flurry. Central PA, extreme northeastern PA, anything northwest of this line right here, could see a passing flurry on Saturday as well, but of course nothing sticking right now. That's because behind this cold front that's coming through here on Friday morning, we're going to have the coldest air we've seen this autumn season. And if this was the middle of winter, this would be quite impressive. Quite impressive. This is a deep trough that is settling over the eastern United States. You can clearly see where that is here. This is all some very impressive cold for this time of year. Temperatures in a lot of areas on Saturday might not even get out of the 40s for highs. Elsewhere down towards Philadelphia and South Jersey, we're looking at lower 50s. So, this is again, the calendar didn't say October 18th at this point, or 17th. I'm sorry, 17th is on this weekend on Saturday. If the calendar didn't say October 17th, and it was more like January 17th, we'd be talking about single-digit highs here. So this is very cold air coming in here for this time of year. So no snow associated with it unless you get up to upstate New York and Vermont, New Hampshire. And even there, you're only talking about a few snow showers. Just to remind you that winter is right around the corner. So we go back to the global models here. We're going to go past this point now and go into Sunday. I think the overnight temperatures are going to be conducive for some frost and freezes both Saturday night and Sunday night. Matter of fact, Monday night might be as well. We're going to have some temperatures in the lower 30s and challenging that freezing mark for many areas, especially northwest of the I-95. So you get up to into the Susquehanna Valley, both upper and lower, northeastern PA, the Lehigh Valley, northern New Jersey, interior northern New Jersey. You're going to get some areas that are going to have temperatures that are going to be challenging that freezing mark. So if you do have any tender vegetation or anything that it needs to be harvested, do so before Friday, because if you don't, you're going to be they're going to see them perish, and you're going to lose them. So any sensitive plants will have to be brought inside as well. Here's a look at Monday. Again, high pressure right on top of the region, so another chilly day here on Monday. But then we start to moderate a little bit as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week as temperatures keep going up. Tuesday should still be below normal. Wednesday we get back to Wednesday, Thursday we're back near normal for this time of year, and then we should have one warm day. It looks like on Thursday. I'm sorry. Wednesday should be the near normal for this time of year, and then Thursday will be the warm day ahead of this cold front, and then the temperatures go right back behind it at the end of the week. It looks like for as we head into next weekend, once again for below normal temperatures to round out the forecast period. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for October 15th, 2015. Have a great Thursday.